Most people are familiar with salt as something that you put on your food, and where salt comes from is it comes out of a box that you get in the store. What many people don't appreciate is the fact that salt is actually a rock that you find naturally in the world, and this is a piece of rock salt in this case. And rock salt comes from the evaporation of water that contains the salt. Usually it's seawater. And you find salt basins any place where you have a part of the ocean that gets isolated from the rest of the ocean, and then it gets hot, and the water evaporates, and all of the material that's dissolved inside the seawater ends up precipitated as a rock on the ground. On this map, we see in red all of the places on Earth where you've had salt that was deposited in this way, and then the salt started to move. And what's different about salt is when you look at it at this scale, it's a rock. If you hit somebody on the head with it, it would hurt. But when you get it in a large area, at kilometers thick, it actually flows. It's like molasses on a cold day. It flows very slowly, but it can build big structures. And this map shows all the places in the world where those kind of big structures have formed. You can see the Gulf of Mexico is one of those areas. You've got the Red Sea, the Persian Gulf, the Pre-Caspian, offshore West Africa, offshore Brazil, and many, many, many other places. So rock salt that has been buried and then flowed is actually very common in the world.